Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the base rack fit for the Toyota Prius with a bare roof. This is for the generation starting in 2016. So this is the Thule WingBar Evo base roof rack system using the Evo clamp method of attachment to the bare roof. So it comprises three main components, starting with the WingBar Evo load bars, which is available in both the black and the silver color options. It also requires the Evo clamp foot pack and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And the fitting kit includes four of the rubber bases as well as four of the rubberized metal door frame brackets. So let me explain the general process of assembly with this design. So it starts with your foot pack where you remove the outer panel, and then you take the rubber base and the rubberized metal door frame bracket. The door frame bracket just presses in to the assembly here, and you can feel and hear a click to ensure it's completely engaged. And then on the underside, you have your rubber base, which aligns with the base pad, and you press around the perimeter to engage that into the base pad. Now, with the fit kit comes the instruction sheet, which identifies each individual pad and each individual door frame bracket, identifies exactly the position on the vehicle where it goes, and then furthermore, it goes on to show the exact position on the roof as well. So it'll dictate the position from the windshield to the front bar, as well as the front bar to the rear bar. And then it even has side profiles to show how the base and the door frame bracket interface with the door frame. So the next step is you'll notice here there are two silver tabs. When you press in on those silver tabs, it will lift this top assembly, and that allows you to slide the foot into the bar. So I'll just flip it upside down, press that in, and it slides into the end of the bar. Now, included with this system are what's called scale measurement plastic strips that'll slide back and forth inside this bar to determine exactly the distance between. So that's the general assembly that's required. So very, very simple to do so. When you're actually tightening this to the vehicle's roof, there is a fastener behind this panel that you would tighten. And as you tighten this tool, it'll click to ensure that it's fully tightened. So there's a clutch mechanism built into this that's set at a very specific Newton meter. Now, when you purchase this system, it'll come with this cover with a plastic plug. That plastic plug can be exchanged for a metal lock cylinder. These are sold separately in matched sets. They're sold separately so that you can purchase a set that would be matched to all your gear. So for example, you would need four for your base roof rack, as well as additional for example, a bicycle carrier where you may have two more. So that'd be a set of six, or two bicycle carriers. So you'd need a set of eight. And that allows you to have all of your lock cylinders matched and one key operating everything. Okay, so those are all the basics of the Thule WingBar Evo clamp base roof rack system on the 2016 through 2022 Toyota Prius with a bare roof. I'm Paul with rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for a direct connection to this fit on rackattack.com, as well as other links for complete, more detailed instructions for assembly of this rack system, where we actually show it being assembled and installed onto a vehicle to supplement this as well as the instructions that it comes with. Thanks for watching.